Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Boom! That's what I destroyed that washing machine. I want to be a washing machine destroyed it. I saw the LG twin wash, I got it to be that destroyed it. Will you calm down please? Whoa, my goodness. Look at that. I wanted to see LG twin wash. That was a bit. But there's a back. There's a coming. There's a candy here. I mean, there's a Bosch. Let's get it over be Hoover. Hoover then Dominic's. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, my goodness. Okay. I know what happened. Okay. We have a Samsung. It is a Samsung washing machine. Because we washing machine. Oh, I got to be a bag. Good. We have it's the Samsung. We got the AdWash here, and it's it blocked is that because it's not jumping. It's not jumping. Okay, we have a AEG. But AEG can jumping, but mono machine, but a full machine cannot jumping anyway. But the AEG jumping. Okay, great. We have this indecent here. The indecent they can jumping, but both the jumping. Oh, I got extreme. I could, but innocent can jumping. I got the extreme. Let's push the button. We have this Amica. Oh, the drum was dead. Okay. We have this Samsung. The going to be Samsung Q. Whoa, that's really loud. That's so loud. Okay. That drum is a nice sound. Okay. We have oh, look at that, this machine. We have this Gundik here. I got it to be Gundik. I know when it's a good. Okay. We have this machine. This is a Samsung here. That's with Samsung. Oh my goodness. What good machine that? Oh my goodness. That's gonna be okay, we have another Samsung. Samsung, yes. The door of his back. Washing machine can be destroyed. Destruction. I mean washing machine can do this destruction and anything. washing machine gonna be a bit distraction. Okay, we have this going to show me something here. This is the old machine. We're coming back. Okay, we have this. We have the Samsung bubble. It's a bubble. 7 kilo. Okay. And we have this big drain wash. We got the LG. Oh, it's dead. The double drum is dead. Okay. We're gonna be this is something really nice. Really very nice. It's really nice. But I hate these glitches. I hate this. Okay, we have this too. This is again LG David Drive 5 kilo. Okay, that and model S be LG WD 1239 and DK. This is a model. This is model. Okay, let's go to the turn on, and it's gonna be beat speed. Gonna be testing. 0, 1. Let's go. But this cannot distraction. This cannot be the distraction. Unless you see where David it is a David Drive motor here. Okay, we have this LG 10 inch Q David Drive 6 Motion 6 kilo. Let's go turn it on. Oh, that's gonna be testing. Drive model with LCC here, and then this LG here with the David Drive model. And options is kinda back. Okay, we have this Goranian. It's gonna be door is back. It's gone. It's Goranian. Yes, Goranian Kent of the washing machine. Let's try. We have this removal is Goranian. Maybe this is the washing machine. Good. This is a Bosch. This is a Bosch Max 6. I mean, this is a Bosch. This is a washing machine. This distraction. This is a washing machine distraction. This is the Bosch. The Bosch washing machine. What's gonna be Amica? What's gonna be back here? Oh, the Amica. This is the LG 12. here, and maybe here. Fix it back. Turn it off now. Oh, don't dig. Maybe we're gonna go back. It's candy. I can see where's a backhoe here. Big backhoe. This is a backhoe washing machine. Or else wash and dryer. Try a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna do this is a blue machine. This is a quick blue, Samsung. That's so loud. Okay, this is a Bosch WFF. WFF is 600,000. 600,000. It's gone. Great. This is a Guinness. This is Ingenix washing machine. Okay, this is Ingenix. This is like my favorite machine is a Matura Sigma. Here is my favorite. Matura Sigma is my favorite. Then you can speak German. And tonight I wash the laundry day. Washing machine is my favorite in a YouTube channel. My favorite. Bognish Boy is not my favorite, but yeah. King of PV Lake is not my favorite, and Mila Boy and Supernova 1600,000. My favorite. Okay. Let's go over here with this backhoe. That is nice. This is a backhoe. And the color is okay, let's go. Let's color with this washing machine. I'm gonna repeat this is here this like a teen. And we're gonna be washing machine that's destroyed it. Okay, let's go. So let's wait for first. There's gonna be Amica. Amica gonna be destroyed it. Okay. Here we go. Something. Amica. Okay, let's go to the this is Elixterno. It is well just like a AEG. Whoa, that's really nice. Okay, that's gonna be innocent. Innocent gonna be also destroyed. And Technoline has destroyed it. Okay, I can be machine as a Technoline. Okay, it's gonna be AEG. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's gonna be a Gondik. Whoa, Gondik has already destroyed it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go to Samsung. Oh, and it is an enemy destroyed it. Samsung and the Samsung 2. Whoa, that's really mother. That's really sound. Oh, where is it? Where's my TNT? Why is it gone? Oh, okay, it's gotta be with the speed. Really fast. Oh my goodness. Oh, where is it? Ah, let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's make something like Mika. Okay. Even now. Oh my. We have more. As you can see, this is oops. This is fireworks. Fireworks is be just like be Happy New Year. This is will be Christmas. In Christmas at December. But December is not anything. We have August. We're gonna be summer. Next time we're gonna be September. And we're gonna be this destroyed it. So oh, speed round. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, the packet. Oh. So what's that? Oh, what is not this? Oh, okay. This is a great idea. So 3, 2, 1, go. Options. I get a big packet. This packet. open this back package. We have this never mind. Trumbo boom. But I can't own anything tomorrow. Tomorrow, me the washing machine just destroyed it. Let's back home. But I want to be a live stream anything to me with washing machine. We were first to say I'll share back home and going to IKEA. I want to be live stream. Be here, but I cannot do anything live stream. I'm bored. I'm so bored everywhere. I kind of be YouTube channel. Maybe idea. But machine, I want to go to be sound anymore. But sound is the gone. Anything. So I gonna be my washing machine started be quick with the washing machine. It's a bit quick started, but instant you can run everything. So thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribers and every post notifications. I'll see you next time.